We've got our snack crate, so if you want to see what country is featured and how all the snacks taste, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And Bandit is in the other room because he will try to eat these snacks and he cannot. So this is our snack crate. We think it's Italy. I'll open it up and see. I do get a drink and an extra snack. And I looked at what the boost would be because it's an additional $24 for the extra items. It's another 5 to 8 items. I didn't get them this month. Maybe I'll get them next month. I know you guys were looking to see that. Let's see. Oh, Belgium. So next month is... So I feel like we got this at the end of April, but I think this is the April box. And I think May is the Italy box. So you do get a little packet. It goes over your snacks. There are different, like, breeds in there. Little puzzle. So we should be getting what's supposed to be in the OG box, and I will leave that to you, just because I do not like
I'm pretty sure I will.
ketchup. But we have some Lay's chips with ketchup. Do you want to save this to take with your lunch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I already kind of know what it's going to taste like.
All right.
Hamburger chips.
All right, so these are Vicky Burger chips, and it says it's a bold, savory flavor of Belgium's famous Vicky Burger, a fast food staple. And it combines ketchup, mayo, mustard, and pickles. Do you want? I'm not gonna like that.
Yeah, sure. And the lettuce and stuff.
Well, that's what's on the sauce. So.
On the sauce?
Yeah, so a Vicky Burger has a sauce that combines ketchup, mayo, mustard, and pickles for a sweet, tangy kick.
Oh my god, this is good.
Okay.
Oh, these are amazing.
No, thank you.
I'm saving the rest of this for lunch.
Okay.
Well, fun fact, American Fanta is actually a lot different than Fanta in Europe. The ingredients also very drastically different. So the one in Europe will kind of look like orange juice, which we have something similar here. It's called like a dry. Isn't that what it's called, Mom?
What?
Like the dry juice. It's like sparkling orange juice or sparkling grapefruit juice, the Polish stuff.
Oh, okay.
That's kind of what it's like in Europe, like their Fanta. That's what I've heard, at least. But ours is a lot different. Ours is like a bright, vibrant color. At least that's what I've heard.
This is exotic taste, and it has 4% juice. So it's a bright pink flavor. Oh, it smells good. It smells citrusy.
That's what I was going to say. Immediate aroma as soon as you get close.
I'm not sure I like this.
I definitely like this. Like it.
I'm not sold on it.
What are you tasting here?
I don't know. But I'm not sure I like it.
Let me take a quick look.
It's almost got like a seltzery vibe to it.
Really? I didn't get that at all.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out what kind of that's in here. I can't read any of that.
Okay. These are giant sour gummy rats.
Oh, nice. Rats. Never heard of that before.
All right. They're not that giant, though. We'll open it up. We'll
Want
show
to
you
split one?
Sure. Bursting with a tangy red fruit flavor. Okay.
Very specific.
Red fruit. Could be raspberry. Could be strawberry.
Probably
cherry.
strawberry. If I had to guess.
No.
Wait, does it have a rat shape? Oh, yeah, it does. That's so cute.
So it kind of has a little tail.
I can see the ears.
You can see the eye.
Mm-hmm.
Little head.
Oh, it's like soft and cloudy on the inside and clear on the, on the outside and clear on the inside. Mmm.
That's pretty good. Pretty juicy.
Mm-hmm.
Here. Okay, these are the Noble cheese biscuits. I think this was my choice item. Pesto flavored.
Want to split one, or do you want to have one each?
They're kind of light.
Yeah. Not really slime. I like it, but
It's very cheesy. It's kind of like a better tasting Cheez-It.
yeah, kind of like a goldfish. Similar, but not exactly.
It's kind of like the moon cheese.
Yeah, but blue cheese was just cheese curds. But I do kind of get that.
Okay.
Alright, let's do the last savory one.
All right, these are Watson paprika chips. All right, so they look like regular chips.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. Definitely has like a little bit of a smoky flavor.
Yeah, like a very slight smoky flavor.
Like a smoky paprika.
Yeah.
I have no idea what this
Ginger.
is.
Ginger cake, I think.
Okay. Let's
I
see if
saw
I can. Yes, this is a gingerbread with pearl sugar.
What's pearl sugar?
It's crunchy. Moist and spiced gingerbread loaf studded with crunchy pearl sugar, adding a sweet caramelized crunch to each bite. I don't know if that's it or if that's...
Yeah, that's
what
it.
this is. And it's actually 2 pieces, so you can see here it's
Nice.
2 pieces. I do like the crunchy sugar, but it's kind of dry.
Yeah.
I feel like if you dumped it in coffee, though,
That would be good.
it'd be...
I completely agree, though.
But a nice ginger flavor.
I love the texture, but I just wish it was less dry.
Mm-hmm. But it has a very nice ginger taste, like not sugary ginger.
But ginger.
Like if I have a tummy ache, that's the kind of ginger I want. All right.
Alright, what's next?
You pull something out.
Alright.
It is a lotus frangipani cake, soft honeycomb pattern waffle filled with a luscious vanilla cream, offering a harmonious blend of texture and sweet flavor.
Do you want to try it?
If you do.
I'm not sure if I like the filling, because it looks like icing. Might be too sweet.
No? Only one way to find out, man.
I'll have a really small piece later. I'm not sure.
So there's how it looks. That's just some icing.
I'm not a huge fan of icing, so I don't see anything
There's
in there.
nothing. So that's all of the vanilla in there.
Oh. They made it seem like it was filled with vanilla.
Yeah.
That's surprisingly good, the icing.
It's also got a
Lemony.
nice almond flavor.
That's what I meant to say, sorry.
It looks like there's a layer of something in the bottom.
I actually really like that.
Yeah, me too. You want another little piece?
No.
That's good.
I like that more than I thought I would.
Me too. All right, this is a chocolate waffle. A traditional Belgian waffle, crisp on the outside and fluffy on the inside, generously coated with rich, smooth chocolate for a contrast of texture. So it's
That's
definitely
really
chocolate covered.
Thank you. I mean, not much to say. There's like a waffle covered in chocolate. I mean, it's pretty good though.
It is good.
It tastes like those Aldi's donuts.
Yeah, that's what they taste like, the little mini chocolate covered donuts.
Put that in the freezer. Waffle.
All right, so we have a Stroop waffle, but this one is different in that it's filled with vanilla. So usually they're filled with like a caramel cream, but this one
I'm not
is
sure if I'm
a
gonna like
vanilla-filled Belgian waffle. Belgium is known for its waffles from with different regions like Liège and Brussels.
I wonder if European vanilla flavor would be different than American, because my expectations were very subverted with the last one. But this is like more of a vanilla cream than the other one was, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it, since I don't like things that are like overly sweet.
So it almost feels like there's two, but this one has the filling and this one doesn't. So it might be two.
Didn't get a lot of cream. Very dry.
Very dry. I usually like stewed waffles. I don't like this.
It's alright. I didn't get a lot of cream. The cream didn't taste half bad though.
I don't like the texture of it. It's not
Yeah.
like crispy like a stewed waffle usually
Well,
is.
usually they're a bit more chewy, but they're moist, so it doesn't matter. But that's like dry and.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to try? There's
Yeah.
this chocolate. I think it's a nougaty, and there's this one which has nuts, and then there's this. This one we could probably just split. We don't have to save any
All right.
because it's one tiny. Oh, it's 3.
So this is a Biscoff cookie. It looks like maybe it has chocolate
There's
on
3.
the bottom. There's 3 in here. Creamy milk chocolate, enveloping crunchy caramelized biscuit pieces.
Oh, nice.
And it's got a little cinnamon spice too.
Want to split one cookie because there's 3 in there?
Sure. And then there'll be one for each of us.
Yeah. Good.
I like that. I like that a lot.
Yeah.
I would seriously eat that all day. Like instead of real food.
It's kind of like, yeah, the caramelization is really good. It kind of tastes like when you burn a marshmallow over the fire.
Mm-hmm. All right, what's next? We've got 2 more things.
I don't really think I'm going to like this one.
Looks like it's kind of like a Snickers bar.
Yeah.
It's the Knoppers Nut Bar. Oh, I think I'm going to like that quite a bit. Crispy wafer layers, creamy hazelnut filling, and crunchy roasted nuts, all coated in milk chocolate for the perfect taste. All right, so there's how it looks. There's how it looks inside. You don't want to try it?
Eat it and tell me how you like it. Think it'd be too sweet for me?
It might be. You want to give it a little bite?
No, thank you.
It's a little sweet,
It looks like a bit much from the
But-
packaging.
crunchy.
Yeah, here. This one kind of looks like a little bit nougaty. Like, look at that inside. I'll check the thing. I'll check the thing this time.
Okay, these are
Smooth
scored.
Belgian chocolate with a rich cocoa intensity, balanced by a touch of sweetness for a deeply satisfying dessert experience. Yeah, a lot of these that we didn't get look pretty good, like the white chocolate or the seashells. Ooh.
Few other snacks. So if we had upgraded, we would have gotten all of these. And I don't know if you get all of the add-ons. So with the Premium Snack Club, you get a drink and you can add one of these. And I figured we'd had this kind of stuff before, so
Yeah.
I went with this because I thought, well, that's a little something different. And I'm glad I did because there wasn't a lot of savory in this box. But yeah, I definitely would have liked
What was your
more of
favorite
these
thing?
things. The Biscoff cookie.
This is my favorite.
Mine was the Biscoff. Yeah, definitely.
You know what this kind of reminds me of now that I think about it?
What?
Muffin.
Can I have one more little piece?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, those are our Belgium snacks. So I'm pretty sure this was the April box.
I wish
I
there was
think
some
I'm
more
figuring this
savory.
out.
Wish there was more savory in here.
Yeah.
But what we did get, I liked. I know you didn't.
No, I liked most of it. There was just 2 things that I didn't like.
Yeah, true.
And the stroop waffles, I was not a fan of.
Me neither. It tasted okay, but the texture was just really bad. You gonna throw that out or give it to someone else?
I'll probably bring it into work
Alright.
if I try it.
Ooh, pickle chip. Ooh.
Oh.
With mayonnaise.
Oh.
And ketchup.
Oh.
And mustard.
So disgusting. Oh. All right, well, that is our snack box. Let us know your thoughts. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.